Hey guys, welcome back from another video, and today we are going to unbox this smartwatch which is Firebolt Visionary. And I think this watch is one of the best smartwatch under 5000 rupees budget. I bought it from Amazon at 3799 after discount, and usual price is nearly 4000 to 4500 rupees. So let's do a very quick unboxing of this watch and let's see what we get inside this box. So let me open it from here. And here we go. Let's remove this plastic first. So let's open it from here, and yeah, here we go. So here is the box, and the watch is visible inside this protection. So let me remove it, and here we get a 5-volt branding again. So here is the watch. Let me keep it aside. So in next we have some cards and manuals here. So here is a welcome card with some media benefits, which I will see it later. And after that we have this manual book, which obviously I'm not gonna read. So let's just keep it aside. And after that we have this Ghana subscription card with some other welcome cards. So let me put it back. And after that we got this charging cable. So let me remove this plastic and show you the quality of this cable. So this charging cable is from micro USB to magnetic 4-pin connector, and the quality of this cable is not so good, but considering its price point it is okay. So let's take a look at our main content. So this watch looks premium and feels premium in first look. So let me remove this plastic and tell you more about it. And in the back side you get this black glass finish which looks premium, and the quality of the belt and buckle is also very good. So the strap is very sturdy and comfortable as well, because the material of this strap is very soft, and I think it will not produce sweat for longer sessions. And in the left side we get this speaker grill, and in the right side we got this crown which is a working crown. So it is a very nice thing, and we got this mic and power button. So let's boot this watch, but before that I think we should remove this plastic protection, and after that let's continue the boot process. Here we go. So Firebolt logo, and whoa, it was very quick. So let me just tell you about the screen. So you got this 1.8 inches super AMOLED display which looks very awesome, and the colors are very vibrant. So overall screen quality is very good, and the touch response is very also quick. I don't feel any lag or shutter, something like that. And by the way, this watch comes with this honeycomb menu style, and you also get option of list view because some people don't feel comfortable to operate this menu style. And let's talk about the home screen. So you also get some pre-installed watch faces in this watch, and you can change it by the application called DAFit, which you can install from Google Play Store or from the App Store. Yes, you hear right. This watch is also capable to connect with iOS and Android as well. So I think that is one of the coolest feature in this watch. So this was a quick unboxing of Firebolt Visionary, and if you guys want a detailed user review, do let me know in the comment section. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Incremental Nova for more such content, and see you in the next one.